privacy fence. Open house this Saturday, corner lot. Nobody beside you. Privacy fence going around. Gonna be putting some epoxy flooring down on this. It's be covered up, looking beautiful. Show you something over here, y'all. The refrigerator we got out here. We got stainless steel refrigerators. All right, brand new windows. Painted out here. This is gonna be epoxy floored. Hardwood floors. Brand new blinds. Brand new windows. Tell them hi, Miss Radford.
Hi.
All right, we have 18-inch porcelain tile with the countertop we installed with an open window here. That was the back of the house, the exterior of the house. We knocked that window out. We're standing in an addition here that was built in 2013. Added another 400 square feet onto the house. All new ceiling fans throughout the entire house. Come on in, brother. My brother KO coming in. As you can see, we got the cabinets in. It's looking pretty good. KO's next door. And this right here was a back sliding door, folks. We knocked this sliding door out. And as you can see, we made this into like a Florida room, a sitting room. All right, and then in here, go and look around, KO. In here, you got hot water heater, you got storage, you got brand new up to code and permitted electrical box. You have ADT alarm system that goes straight to the police station and sound the siren very, very loud. You have hardwood floors throughout. As you can see, we're still working. You have knockdown texture on all the walls. You have crown molding, LED lighting, new ceiling fan, new blinds throughout the entire home. You can reach us at 863-410-0877. You have a whole hallway going down that way. Go ahead, Gail. We getting these cabinets squared away right here. We're working on them now, getting them painted up and getting them right. We're gonna have them all. Look at this top that we did. Oh man, new sink. Look at this window trimming, y'all. This was the back of the house, and we knocked that out. Now your children, you could pass some food through here, and they sit there while the adults right there eating. All right. Stainless steel appliances. We got stainless steel stove. Stainless steel refrigerator. We have staging furniture that's going to be delivered here. We have porcelain tile backsplash going all the way around. We have USB port and plug in your microwave right here and your telephone. That's right, folks. This is a rental property. Everything in here is brand new. We even put blinds in here. Why would we do that? Well, we don't want nobody to be messing up the window sills and stuff. So we put them in here and you don't have to worry about that. Now, of course, they might put some drapes up here, but we can replace that, right? With some drywall. Remember, folks, you can reach us right there at 863-410-0877. Let's take a walk. Oh, ADT alarm. Every day it is alarmed. And it's ready to work when needed. Hopefully we don't need it, but it's there. We have 4 bedrooms. 4 baths. There's a ceiling fan in every room, folks. There's blinds in every room. Brand new doors. Brand new floors. Look here. When you sweep, there's no transition strip. You sweep right on through the entire house. Every room has a ceiling fan, a brand new window, brand new flooring. Brand new AC. That's right. Brand new hot water heater. Brand new resurfaced tub. Brand new dual flush, save you on your water bill toilets. Straight from Home Depot, brand new window. And look what we put in the bathroom. We got you a nice light, put you a nice mirror that matches, and you have 18-inch porcelain tile. All right. And as you can see in here, you have hardwood floors and you have another. Look at those ceiling fans, folks. Who does that? Those ceiling fans are all of that. And check this out, folks. On top of up here on the ceiling, it was popcorn ceiling throughout. We took that down and put knockdown. There was no texture on the walls at all. We put texture throughout the entire home. Brand new doors for your closet, folks. I mean, it's going down. Oh, you also have a pantry here in the middle of the hallway. And it has what? Hardwood flooring in it and no seams. Sweep all the way through. This is your master bedroom. This is a 4-bedroom, 2 baths. Over 2,000 square feet under roof. Oh, almost 1,800 under AC. And it has a carport. And it has a laundry room. And everything in it is brand new. Show me a better rental property, and I'll need to talk to their contractor. Or I need to talk to their marketing agent and see how they're doing it. Because we went all out with this one, folks. This is a gift to my wife. Okay? And I have one of the best contractors there is. All right? And he took care of me because he said, this is your wife's project, Greg. So guess what? I'm going to make sure this place is beautiful. And that's what he did, folks. From ADT alarm, new AC, new hot water heater, new flooring, new stove, new refrigerator, stainless steel. That's right, folks, stainless steel. You need to call us for your real estate needs. Maybe we can help you. And if you think that you can't own a home because of a bank situation, you need to call RadfordHomes. Lease option to buy. Talk to us, folks. 863-410-0877. Stay tuned for the before and after pictures. May 5th, this Saturday at 2 p.m., we will be feeding the entire community. Fire department, Lieutenant Sean Johnson will be catering the event. And he will be here with the rest of Radford Home and staff. All right, folks, and we're going to be talking about financial literacy, how you can own your homes, and the ladies, how you can get an investment property, just like Sabrina. This is Sabrina's second investment property. Oh, yeah, we're about to retire her from that 9-to-5 job. All right, talk to you later. Salute all veterans.